Welcome to Dark Caper's Blender Tutorials. This is episode 4. In this lesson we will be covering mirroring objects, capping holes in mesh, like this one, and bridging. So the first thing you'll have to do is make an object that you can definitely tell which way around it is. In case I've made this little birdhouse looking thing. So once that is done, copy the object by holding Shift D and then pressing which axis you want to drag it along, and then left click to make the copy. So this object is the wrong way around. So to mirror it, all we do is go to Tools up here and go to Mirror. Now, nothing seems to have happened. However, if you press any of the axis keys, it will change the direction of the object. So for instance, if I press Y, it'll rotate it around the Y-axis. If I press the Z key, it'll rotate it around the Z-axis. If I press the X key, it'll rotate it around the X-axis. In this case it won't do anything because it's already on the X-axis. So I want to rotate it in the Y-axis because I want it to face the other birdhouse thing, and then I'm just going to left click to finish. In this menu down here on the bottom left, if you go to the top of this menu, you'll see you have axes here as well. If you click any of these boxes, you can also have it mirror in two different axes. We're just going to stay with one. So the next thing we're going to go into is capping holes. So what I've done here is I've literally just deleted this face here on the mesh. If I go into edit mode, you'll see what I've done. So I've inset it and then delete the hole in the mesh, so it's no longer a solid. Now if I want to fill this hole, easy way of doing so is to simply go to the edge selection, click one edge, shift, and then click the opposite edge, and then press F on the keyboard to cap the hole. This can also be done by using the vertexes. I can either select all 4 vertices, or if I just select 3 of them in a triangle shape and press F, it will cap half of this hole. It is good to create faces like this in triangles or squares. However, you can do it with as many points as you like. So again, all you have to do is select vertices and then press F. Pressing F creates faces. Okay, so now I want to bridge between these two objects. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get out of edit mode, shift click both of them, and then go to join. So they're now one object. Now, again, to bridge between these two objects, all I have to do is go into edge mode or vertex mode, select one edge, hold shift, and select the opposite edge, the opposite corresponding edge. Press F, and it will bridge the two faces together. Now all I have to do is rinse and repeat the process until I've made the object completely solid again. There we go. Thank you for listening to this tutorial. This is the end.